Hello everyone. Today we will know about the next part of the past tense, that is past perfect, and here we will understand the use of V3 that will be used in the whole tense. So let's begin with the examples. So number 1, I had watched Piku. You must be knowing 13th March it was released. We had watched Piku. You had watched Piku. They had watched Piku. He had watched Piku. She had watched Piku. It had watched a rat. Pranjal had watched Piku. Mary and Manohar had watched Piku. So these are the few examples that shows you the use of had plus verb. We can understand more in the one example, that is I had watched Piku. Here we can understand part by part. I is the subject, had is the helping verb in this sentence, watched is the main verb, and Piku is the object. Now we are coming to the number third. Here we will have the comparison between present perfect and past perfect. In the present perfect we have used has, have plus V3, but in the past perfect we are using had plus V3. Coming to the number 4, that is the structure of the sentence or structure of the past perfect tense. It shows how to use the verb, helping verb, subject and object. So the structure is subject plus had plus V3 plus object. The one interesting thing is that in the past perfect tense, the had is common to all subjects. With all the type of subjects we can use had. There is no any confusion to understand the use of had. So we can get little bit more relaxed here in this tense to use the had. Now we are coming to the number 5th. Here we will understand the 6 type of sentences, and that is one by one. I had watched Piku. I had not watched Piku. Had I watched Piku? Had I not watched Piku? When had I watched Piku? When had I not watched Piku? So these are the 6 sentences that tells you the affirmative sentence, the negative sentence, the interrogative sentence, the interrogative negative, WH and WH negative. The story does not end here. The last part is remaining here, and that is the use of had. Here I have already told you in advance that with any type of subject in past perfect we can use had. So let's see. First person singular number I had. First person plural number we had. Second person singular number you had. Second person plural number you had. Third person singular number he, she, it, name had. So we can use here had. And third person plural number they had and names had. If there are more names than the 1 or 2 we can use had. So the above all common is, the summary is we can use had with any type of subject in which tense? Past perfect tense. Now I am giving you one interesting assignment to make the 6 type of sentences. The sentence is the cuckoo had flown to that branch. You have to make it in 6 type of sentences that we have discussed just now. I will give you the answer very soon. So please think how to make. I hope the time is up. So the answer is, the cuckoo had flown to that branch. The cuckoo had not flown to that branch. Had the cuckoo flown to that branch? Had the cuckoo not flown to that branch? Why had the cuckoo flown to that branch? Why had the cuckoo not flown to that branch? So these are the six type of sentences. I hope with these examples and details you have understood the past perfect tense. We will meet in the next tense. Thank you.